Yep, food that is made layer by layer using a 3D printer. It sounds futuristic, but it's already here. Here is your 3D printed food, and it's rapidly evolving. In this video, we're going to explore the thoughts behind this invention. Why was it created in the first place? We'll look at some of the biggest pros and the cons. But here's the big question. Would you actually eat 3D printed food? Does this idea excite you or does it make you a bit uneasy? Let me know in the comments. But meanwhile, let's take a look at why we now have 3D printed food.
Three different scientific fields: food science, 3D printing, and clinical nutrition. So people with dysphagia might be reluctant to eat or drink, which can lead to severe malnutrition, dehydration, and other mental health problems. This is a very important real-world problem, which is actually because of the increasing of the aging population increasing, is becoming even a bigger burden, healthcare burden, not just in the UK but internationally. So the first thing we do is we prepare the food formulation. There's a lot of innovation going into that. We add food hydrocolloids. These hydrocolloids are natural substances from plants or other natural sources that allow to build new molecular connections between the food components of the food formulation. And this is what gives the food a specific properties that allow it to be swallowed safely. We use familiar natural ingredients and products such as Greek olive oil, yogurt, cheese as a sustainable protein source. In order to evaluate the stability of the product, it's important to taste test it. We have taste tested it ourselves here in the lab and tested.
Okay, you've seen and heard what the man said, that this food was invented because of the aging population, and he wanted people to be able to eat food without actually chewing food. And one of the biggest pros is they want to reduce food waste, create sustainable options, as you can see. And some of the cons may be like the costs. I wonder what it would cost to order a plate of 3D printed food. I wonder what the potential health concerns will be, and the idea of factory-made meals losing their natural touch. But what do you think? This is interesting. Like I asked before, would you actually eat 3D printed food? I love technology. Does this idea excite you or does it make you uneasy? Are we stepping into a world of convenient, customizable meals, or are we losing something real and natural about food? Well, join the debate in the comments, because 3D printed food is the future of dining. And let's know if you think it's the future or just a temporary trend. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy thought-provoking topics like this. Remember, it was made for people that struggle with eating. That's how it came about. And tell me, what does it look like to you? As you can see, we just watched a 3D printed food. Let me know in the comments. Does it excite you or you are not feeling comfortable about this? Remember, this food was made, this invention is due to some people that struggle with eating. But hey, even if you struggle to eat, would you like to eat 3D printed food? Or would you ask God to help you eat normal food? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. My name is Ngozi, and I am passionate about helping you look your best. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Is it the future of our dining experience, or it's a temporary trend? And see you in the next video. All the best. Have a lovely day further.